Ramsey and his friends were having a good time studying together. They were also discussing lots of current issues. After a while, one of his friends proposed to have a quiz to ensure who knows the most about ongoing events. But how can they create one instantly? There are tons of form builder plugins out there to do the job, but Fluent Forms is the ultimate solution. Let's see how to create a quiz form using Fluent Forms. To start the process, firstly, we will head to the integration page from the Fluent Forms dashboard and enable the quiz module. After that, we will create a blank form. Let's take the name and email fields to collect participants' information. There are several input fields we can use in a quiz form. We're gonna take the radio field, cause that's the standard of any quiz form. Now write a question in the element level and add some options. We're gonna add 4 options and add the quiz answer to this. You can add them one by one, or if you want, you can utilize the bulk edit options to add them all together. Here you can find some predefined options like country, gender, age, etc. Don't want to show the options in the line? Gotcha! Using the layout from advanced options, you can arrange them in just the way you want. A quiz has multiple questions. We will go to the radio field to add other questions as well. To make it easier, we will just duplicate the previous one, then customize them according to our preference. We are all set with our questions, and now it's time to set the score. For that, we need to take the quiz score from the advanced field section. With this, people will be able to see their scores after submitting the quiz. We can even choose how to show the overall score from here. Let's rename the submit button and change the alignment. After saving the form, head to Settings and Integrations tab from the top. Move to Quiz Settings and enable the quiz module. Once you enable it, you are gonna see all the quiz options that you have added earlier. After that, we have to set the quiz answers and score as well. Toggle on any questions and active it one by one. Whenever you tick on any question, you will be able to set the score and correct answer below that. As we have 5 questions, let's set each score to 20, which sums up to a total of 100. After that, select the correct answer for that question. Similarly, set the score and answers for all the rest of the questions. You can also use the advanced scoring options for partial scoring if you want, assuming you set a question that has multiple answers. Time to set the grade system. Here, you can set the grade label associated with the score. You can add as many grade range depending on the number of questions and given points for each questions. Let's write excellent in the first grade level to credit the top scorer. We can set the grade range from 80 to 100 for him. Similarly, write some magic words for the following grades as well. Make sure you have done the math part before adding grades, as nobody wants to overlap score ranges with each other. Fluent Forms quiz module also offers you the options to randomize the questions and options every time someone tries to take the quiz. If you want to show the correct answers of your quiz form right after someone submits it, just take Show Result on confirmation page. Once everything's set up, save the settings. Okay, our quiz module setup is done. Let's finish it up with a nice confirmation message. At the top, you will find the confirmation settings. Here you can bring quiz scores automatically. For that, navigate to Quiz Forms shortcode and pick Quiz Result List. Okay, we are all set. Save it and hit Preview. Let's check if everything is working properly. Perfect! Ramsey has his solution, and if you have any issues, tell us in the comment and stay tuned!